Welcome back to the chapter Heights and Distances. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. So we'll draw this while reading itself. So this is a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 65 degrees. So here this is the pedestal and this is the statue. So and this is the ground. So A, B and C, and this from here to the top of the statue. So the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So here statue is BC is the statue and AB is the pedestal. And from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. So this point, this is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. So this height is given, height of the statue is 1.6 meters is given. BC is equal to 1.6 meters. Now we have to find AB. So let us take this point as O. Let this be X, or we'll write it as O itself. Now tan 45 is equal to tan 45 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So AB by OA. So 1 is equal to AB by OA. So AB is equal to OA. So this is the first equation. This is in triangle BAO. Now in triangle CAO, tan 60 is equal to AC by AO. So this is tan 60 is root 3 by root 3 is equal to, now AC is equal to AB plus BC. So it is AB plus 1.6 by AO. From this you can write AO is equal to AB plus 1.6 by root 3. Now we will equate 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we will get AO is equal to AB. So we will write AB is equal to AB plus 1.6 by root 3. So that is root 3 into root 3 AB minus AB. So AB into root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. So AB is equal to 1.6 by, this is root 3 minus 1 as either you can 1.732 minus 1, 0.732, either you can divide that or you can rationalize this. So you get this as 2.732 into 1.6 by, this will be 3 minus 1 is 2. So this become 0.8. So it's easy to multiply. into 0.8. So it is 2.18. So AB is equal to 2.2, approximately 2.2 meters. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a tower fixed at the top of the building to 20-meter high, top of a 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. So the tower is fixed at the top of the building 20-meter high. This is the ground. Now this is a building. So AB is a building. On the building, on the top of the building, a tower is fixed. So it is similar to the previous problem. The pedestal and at the top of the tower pedestal, top of the pedestal, just now we did a statue. So this you're keeping a tower. So BC is the tower. Now from a point on the ground, angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower of 20-meter high building. So this is 20 meter. So AB, that is equal to 20 meters, are 45 and 60 respectively. So bottom is 45. This is 45. And then top of the tower. So this will be 60. Now we have to find the height of the tower. So we have to find BC. So again we will use the same tan 45 is equal to tan 45. So in triangle BAO, tan 45 is equal to AB by OA. So this is equal to 1 equal to AB by, AB is 20, 20 by OA. So OA is equal to 20. Now in triangle CAO, tan 60 is equal to AC by AO. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC is 20 plus BC by OA. Now we know OA is equal to 20. So this is root 3 is equal to 20 plus BC by 20. So 20 root 3. 20 root 3 minus 20. So 20 into root 3 minus 1 is equal to BC. So Again the same method, BC is equal to 20 into 0.732. So this is equal to so this is 1464 sorry, this is 14.64, sorry. Meters. Here, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So this is a building. A boy is standing at some distance. So now here the height of the boy is given. So this length is, suppose this is A and B. AB is 1.5 meters. So AB is the boy, 1.5 meters. And the building is 30 meter tall. So PQ angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. So now first at this position his angle of elevation, now we will draw one line parallel. Angle of elevation is always with the base, with the ground, or a line parallel to the ground, angle of elevation and angle of depression both. So this is 30 degrees. Now he is walking towards the building. So let us assume that he has reached this point. So now he is at CD. From here, now he is seeing the top of the tower. So now the angle of elevation, now this is 60 degrees. So this is CD. The boy walks towards the building and reaches point D. Now this is 60. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Now we have to find from B to D he has walked. We have to find the distance BD. So let us take this is 1.5. So if P, Q and let this point be R. So PR will be PQ is equal to 30. PR is equal to 1.5, that is the height of the boy. So therefore QR is equal to 30 minus 1.5, it is 28.5. So this point will be, this is 28.5. Now in triangle QAR, again tan 30 is equal to 28.5 by AR. So let us take these values as x and y. So 28.5 by AR. So this is 28.5 by x plus y. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x plus y. Now in triangle QRC, tan 60 is equal to 28.5 divided by CR. So that is equal to 28.5 divided by y. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 28.5 by y. So from 1 and 2, so x plus y is equal to 28.5 into root 3, and here y is equal to 28.5 by root 3. So x plus 28.5 by root 3 is equal to, so root 3x plus 28.5 is equal to 28.5 into root 3 will become 3. So this will become x is equal to, now 28.5, 3 minus 1 is 2, bringing this here, then divided by root 3. So this is equal to, now you are will multiply by root 3. This will become 3. So 28.5 into 2 root 3 by 3. Yeah, now this will get cancelled. 9.5. So either you can leave it by as 19 root 3, or you can multiply with 1.73. You will get 32.87 meters.